Lemon garlic butter chicken breast recipe. Today's recipe, lemon garlic butter chicken breast. Welcome to my channel. Rena's Kitchenary. Soak in water carrots, cauliflower, beans, chicken breast. Slice into desired size. Corn flour. Minced garlic. Powdered pepper to taste. Salt to taste. Melted butter. Squeeze 1/2 lemon. Mix well with your hands, ensuring that chicken is coated evenly. Marinate for 30 minutes. While chicken is marinating, prepare the vegetables by cutting them into diamond size. In a pot, boil water and add 1 tablespoon salt. First, boil carrot for 1 minute. Boil the rest vegetables until they are cooked, but not overcooked. Once cooked, immediately transfer them to a bowl of ice water to cool down. In a pan, roast the marinated chicken in it until it is cooked thoroughly. Turn the chicken over. Sprinkle dried oregano. Sprinkle fresh coriander leaves. In a pot, add melted butter, minced garlic, slice onion, slice capsicum, bell pepper. Stir slightly. Sauté well. Now add all boiled vegetables. Sauté on high flame for 1 minute. Sprinkle black pepper. Mix them all. Since the vegetables are already cooked, there's no need to cook them further. In a separate pan, prepare the sauce. Lemon juice. Melt 2 tablespoons butter. Slightly fry the garlic to bring out its aroma. Keep it on low fire. Add minced garlic. Stir it to prevent burning. Add chili flakes. This is optional process. Stir until the butter thickens. Until the sauce is ready. Now arrange all the vegetables. Pour the prepared lemon butter garlic sauce over the chicken. Lemon garlic butter chicken breast is ready. Can be enjoyed for lure diet as weight loss. Please give your feedback about this recipe. Thanks for watching.